guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, Bender is here again. We've just done a snack box because we've had no dinner, and we're now going to do another snack box because we've still had no dinner. So we're now doing Degustabox.
Turn the knife around.
I know, I just realised I was trying to chop it with the blunt side. Degustabox, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. This is all paid for by me. And it comes via courier. I think it's DHL that brings it now, or DPD, one of the couriers. You get a text to say when it's going to come. $12.99 a month. Yeah, that's it. You get lots of stuff in it that is gluten-free and vegan, and they'll give you a price of something, and it might be that in Tesco's it's £2.99, but you know for a fact you can get it in Asda for £1. They will always tell you the highest price just to make it look like the box is worth more. So if you're somebody that shops around to get the bargains, you might not like it, whereas I tend to just do one shop because I can't be bothered. But let's have a look. They have a theme every month, and they're not particularly cohesive themes. This is family sharing, is this box. So I'll get it, fucker. We're not going to eat everything in it because some things you can't just eat them. So the first thing I've got is some brioches, which will get eaten in our house because one of the kids has one of these at least once a day. So that's nice. They are £1.50, and it's just a brioche with chocolate chips in it. Next, we have got hummus chips, which I'm pretty sure Ben is going to open immediately. There you go. These are £1.80. And it says, we're on a mission to bring you delicious snacks made with honest ingredients. Mouthwateringly Moorish. No, I don't think I'd like the flavour, would I?
Quite tomatoey.
Yeah, no them.
You can try and put one on your nose instead.
I don't like the flavour. I don't like the smell. Well, they're very, very tomatoey. And I like tomatoes, but not like that. So yeah, they're £1.80.
What is that?
That is heavy as crap. This is a Kelly Loves. Fuck off. How much is this?
In price or in weight?
In price. It's noodles.
£1.90.
Add £1. No one's paying that for a noodle pot, are they? No one's paying that for a noodle pot. Just. So this is a Korean recipe with katsuo. Katsuo?
Korean style.
Broth. It's a generous portion of udon noodles. Well, they're the big fat noodles, aren't they? And katsubushi, dried bonita flakes. Topping with.
I love bonita flakes.
Topping with, which is bringing extra umami flavour to this noodle cup.
Uncle Roger will like that.
£2.90 is absolutely ridiculous for one noodle pot.
Maybe go for £2.
Yeah, you're gonna have it for your dinner.
Yes.
There you go. There's Ben's dinner. Or something else that he'll like. He eats all the stuff in these ones. This is orange juice.
This has got bits or no bits.
But like, this is family sharing. How are you going to share a noodle pot? That's one person's dinner. It's not sharing, is it?
We could have noodles with
a
side of...
No, just no. So this is £1.99. Compal Orange Algarve. In the Algarve, we found the perfect balance between the hours of sunshine and the quality of the land to make this delicious orange juice. So he'll like that. I don't like orange juice, but he does. Next, we've got Sumol, Maracuja, Fruit de la Passion fruit something. You can hold it up because it's focusing on you and not me, so it will probably fuck off camera. 99p. Sumol is refreshingly light, carbonated with real fruit juice with pineapple, passion fruit, or orange. Oh, this one is only available at Portuguese stores or their website. So you can't get that at all everywhere. Alright, next we've got these. Christ, they're heavier than I expected, these biscuits. They are hefty.
Oh no, I thought these are the cheese-filled ones.
No, the chocolate. So the chocolate biscuits, chocolate and then white chocolate. Fucking nose rings turn around again. Stupid thing.
It's because you put a lentil crisp on.
Oh yeah, I did. They are £1 each. Tasty sandwich biscuits with chocolate flavour or white chocolate flavour filling. The delicious snack, rich in wheat. That is what I look for in my snacks. If it's rich in wheat. available at Asda. Next, we've got a Jaffa Doughnut.
Ah, see what they did there.
A Jaffa cake donut. These are 50p. I thought Jaffa cakes couldn't get any more epic. Think again. Our magic combo with a twist. Soft donutty shaped sponge. Tangy orange fill-in topped with a crackly layer of chocolate. That sounds nice. Toffees. Not had these in years. I used to get these from the pound shop. How much are they selling there now? £1.43. You can buy these for £1 in the pound shop. I know that for a fact because I used to buy them all the time. They're delicious. We've got a Nature's Heart protein almond, peanut and double chocolate bar. £1.59. Tasty combination of crunchy almonds, peanuts covered in dark chocolate. Plant-powered protein with peas and nuts. Pea protein. We've got some spice mixes. We've got chicken taco and fajita mixes. These are £1.5 each. Taco seasoning specifically developed for chicken with flavours of oregano, chilli, garlic and cumin. The seasoning mix is perfect. It did not contain any sugar. Good for tacos at home. And then we've got a Santa Maria fajita seasoning mix, which is nice, but weird that you've got two seasoning mixes by two different brands. I know the same brand, but two different seasoning mixes. And they've done it on two different things. Normally it's like you'll get two of that one there is the same brand, but they've done it as one. But then to add extra space, they've made it so it's two. Bulking it out. And then the last thing is some crisp breads, which are nice, but a bit boring. I'll eat them.
What's a ciabatta?
Nothing. What's a ciabatta with you? Twat. And then also, there's a frozen thing that you've got a voucher for that you can go and get, which looks fucking gross.
Is it a frozen kebab?
It's a Richmond frozen ready meal. New family favourites. What ones are there? I can't read them on here.
Sausage casserole, sausage hot pot, and sausage and tomato pasta.
Well,
family size.
Richmond sausages are fucking disgusting. So, no. Ben eats
apparently
anything.
They are the Britain's favourite
nation's
sausage.
favourite. Well, apparently Britain has no taste buds. Ben literally eats any meat and he doesn't eat these. Like, yeah.
My last picked sausage.
He will eat anything and he does not eat those. So it's not the nation's favourite at all. That is a bullshit. Yes, that was the Degustabox. Not the best by any stretch of the imagination, is it? He's excited for his orange juice. And the kids will like the biscuits. But no, they've gone downhill again. Let me know what you think. I'll let you know on the screen what he thinks of his expensive noodles. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon.